Yes, hello guys. Your boy again, BM Africa, a typical village boy. So I just want to give you a lot of video today because it's like you see the birds there. We have a lot of birds everywhere. Wow. The dogs also here. This is how everything is. So I just want to take you to see some new. We have some dog here. Actually, the market is there. See, that's the market. See a lot of people there, and he's trading a lot. Like I told you guys, we protect our heritage, we protect our animals. Even the dogs are animals too. See flamingos there, you can see. This is how everything is, guys. Wow. Let me just get close so to see if it's there. They can move. They don't want to be near the people. So everyone is going. Just look at it. Wow. It is very beautiful, guys. Wow. Just see, guys. This is Africa, guys. I told you guys Africa is beautiful. We have a lot of birds here. Like, I really love birds, guys. I love the nature and I love birds. It's raining right now, but I have to show you guys what I love, guys. Wow. Some birds here. Just moving. Slowly, slowly. And this is place here, you see? Where I'm standing right now is like, you see? You see? A lot of water. Yeah, look at the birds there. So I just want to show you. Wow. Today I'm just like I'm looking for the bird to get something. They're changing the environment of this place. Wow. A lot of birds. A lot of birds. I love these guys. This is Africa. And that's why I always tell you guys, Africa is beautiful. Like you see, Africa is very, very beautiful. Wow, they're walking on style. They are marching here like soldiers. Wow, this is Africa, guys. Look at it. We have other on the other side. Wow, this is Africa. You see, this is beautiful. Will you like to be in Africa, guys? This is our birds in Africa. Yeah, man. Wow, super nice, super nice. Look at it. It's very, very nice. They're trying to fight. I don't know why. Wow. Very amazing. So we're just moving together with our birds here. Wow, look at it. Very nice, very nice. Wow. Wow, I like it, guys. Look at it. They're enjoying the lifestyle. Wow. Super, super nice. This is amazing, guys. Yeah. Yeah, like I told you guys, today is on a market day, so I have to come to the market, shoot some real videos, buy the stuff for the family, and I go home because when I miss today, I have to wait for another week so that I can come to this market. Yeah, like you can see, most of the shops will be closed. They only open when there is a market day, but some few. And also the problem is that uh, I think the market day is the day that everything is very cheaper than the other days. When you come the market day, you can buy things on a cheaper price. When you wait for another, maybe today is on market day, the other day you buy for more price. Maybe let's say when you buy, you get something for $1, we get it for $3 which is 300 Kenyan shillings. So you better come to the market day, you buy on a cheaper price. Wow, you see, this is how everything is, guys. Birds, trees, cactus. Wow, this is how everything is, guys. I really love this, guys. Let me go back to the market. Yeah, they're freezing, guys. Look at them. Wow, they're freezing. They're freezing because it's raining here right now. Look at look at me. See? Wow, it's raining. Wow, look at that.